Still in this great month of godliness, and once again it was another powerful service where we learned a lot of practical steps that we could apply to our lives in order to live holy and upright lives. Today we focused on the nature of sin, and the pastor was ministering on the nature of sin being secretive. Sin is secretive. Interestingly, he mentioned that in many occasions, sin is done in secret if you have a conscience. It's people who don't have a conscience that, they can do it anywhere, they can do it anytime, and they wouldn't even feel guilty about it. But people who have a conscience, who know that what they're doing is not right, they do it in secret. And this is one step that I had to take to ask myself, all the things that I do in secret, and if everyone was watching me, would they approve? That's one thing we also have to ask ourselves, that all those things that we do when we think nobody's looking, is it holy? Is it upright? And the most interesting thing about it all is that there is no secret sin, because every of our actions are clearly seen by God. So we can't deceive anyone. We may be able to deceive human beings, our fellow friends and families and loved ones, but we can't deceive God. God sees it before you even, take certain steps. God knows. Furthermore, we talked today about how to break the trap of sin, and one of the quickest ways to break the trap of secret sin is to live an open life. Let everyone know what you're doing. That phone call you're on, if you feel that you tend to, do certain things over the phone or over the internet, put the phone on loudspeaker. That should stop you. So take certain steps and measures in your life to help you overcome. So live an open life. If you're going to a certain place, tell people where you're going. Don't say you're going to visit so person and nobody else knows. It's very important. It's, many occasions we may think we're strong enough to withstand the pressure and the temptation, but we may not. And it's just by taking these little steps, living an open life. I try and call it the open door policy. Anyone can come in, but the door still stays open when that person's in there. Because you just have to protect yourself. Also, another way to escape the trap of sin is to examine yourself daily. Examine yourself daily. Ask yourself, where am I right now? Where am I going? Am I still in the faith? Am I still taking correct steps? Ask yourselves these questions. It will help you clarify your current standing. Because many people, their conscience is dead, but they don't even know. They don't know. But it's just important to keep refreshing yourself daily. Another way to break the trap of sin is to ask for help from the Holy Spirit. The Holy Spirit has a key. The first 4 letters, holy, and he's there to help us. By our own strength, we can't do it, but by the grace of God, we can. Another way to escape the trap of sin is to pray. Never give up. Keep praying. Stay steadfast in prayer, and God will bless us. God bless you. This week is going to be a great week for us. Just engage these simple, practical steps, and you're sure to fly. God bless you.